Good day, fellow citizens of the earth. My name is Mr. Ramanyimi. But to make it more easier to remember, you can call me Mr. Rama. Mr. Rama. Can you say it with me now? Mr. Rama. Good. I am a 28-year-old man living in Pretoria, sunny South Africa, and I possess a bachelor's degree in education with 2 years experience teaching young children as well as adults. I have also completed my 120-hour TFL certificate, which allows me to teach English as a foreign language. My lessons put a strong emphasis on the TPR method because I believe that when learners are engaged in fun, physical activities while learning, it will be easier for them to recall the information that I have taught. I am looking forward to meeting you and excited for this opportunity. Thank you.